Hello everyone, my name is Raisen and welcome back to Rice Fix. And guys, in this video, when you are riding your motorcycle at night, if the headlight is not focusing on the road but it is focusing somewhere else in the sky, on the trees, and that is the reason why you cannot see in front of you properly. The light is directly focusing on the person who is coming on the opposite side and he is getting dazzled, and the most important thing is you cannot see in front what is there properly even if you turn the light on at night. If you are facing that problem, then keep watching this video guys, because I am going to show you exactly how easily, just with the help of a spanner, you can adjust your headlight and make it focus on the road instead of somewhere else. So it is going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. So this is Suzuki Access, and underneath the headlight of Suzuki Access, if you zoom and if you see, you will notice one screw here. Now here there should not be this type of screw. There should be a bolt here that you can turn with a spanner. Now as you guys can see, there is a bolt here. Now this type of bolt should be there here where the screw is, because you cannot loosen this screw with a screwdriver here, because below the screw this thing is there. Now my entire system is wrong here guys, so I will make it proper, but maybe your Suzuki Access already have a bolt there. So before you do anything, check on your Suzuki Access if there is a bolt or if there is a screw there. If you already have a bolt there, then you don't have to do all these things that I'm showing now. You can directly skip the video and go where I am showing you how to adjust the headlight. But if there is no bolt there, and instead of a bolt, if there is a screw there, then you will have to watch this video entirely. So first, take out both your rear view mirrors. Now to take out this rear view mirror, you will need a 13 or a 14 number spanner. So this is an aftermarket rear view mirror. So I had to use a 13mm spanner on it to loosen it, and now I will rotate it like this and take it out completely. Now on my other side there is the original mirror, and the nut on that mirror need a 14mm spanner, and with this 14mm spanner I will loosen this nut and I will turn the mirror like this and take it out completely. Once you take out both the rear view mirrors, on the back side of this fairing you will see 4 screws. You will have to take all those 4 screws out. Now luckily I have only 3 screws here, so I will take those 3 screws out. Once you take out all these 4 screws, you will have to come on the front side of the headlight and you will have to check underneath, and you will notice there that there is a bolt there. You will have to take that bolt out entirely. Now to do that you will need a 8mm socket. Now remember guys, the bolt which is there in this place, I had put it, I remember that. Usually they don't put a bolt here, they usually put a screw here, and every time this screw slips guys when you go to take it out. That is the reason why I have put a bolt there, so that it will be easy for me to take it out. I recommend this to you guys as well. If possible, put a bolt here instead of a screw. This is a smaller thread bolt. You can put a bolt like this here guys, because there will be a screw here. So here comes out my bolt. Once I take this bolt out, I will shake my front headlight fairing a little bit and I will take it out completely. This will be still connected guys, but you don't have to disconnect it fully. Now if you notice underneath the fairing, then you will notice that there is a screw here. Now this entire video is of this screw guys. Now I will take this screw out completely and I will replace it with a bolt now, because there should not be a screw like this here guys. This headlight adjustment you should be able to do without taking out this headlight fairing guys. If you put a screw like this here, then you cannot do it guys. So I will take this screw out completely, and instead of this screw I will put a bolt like this here. If you compare both of these, one is screw and one is bolt, but the trade of both of this is the same. So I will put a bolt like this here guys. So here is my new bolt. I will put this bolt here, but I will not tighten it fully. I will tighten it only a little bit. Actually you should not tighten this bolt too much also guys, because these are all plastic parts and they can break very easily. Once you get a good snug, that is enough, because this bolt is only for headlight adjustment. Now as you guys can see here, this plastic part of mine is coming out. I will make it proper now only. Now to make it proper, you will have to take out the screws which are there on the back side of the fairing. If this is not proper of yours, and you will have to also take out the 2 bolts which is holding the number plate. Now my back screws are missing, so when I took out these 2 number plate bolts, my front fairing became loose, and now I can easily put this inside. Once I put this inside, now I will put back the headlight fairing. Now to put this back, this rear view mirror extension is coming in the middle, so I will take that out as well. Then I will put back in place my headlight fairing. Then I will put back the rear view mirror extension which I had just taken out. Now the screws that you had taken out from the back side of this headlight fairing, you can put those back. You can even put back the rear view mirrors, because our rest of the work is done here already guys. Now this bolt I had taken out from underneath the headlight, so I will put it back now. where usually the screw comes. So I will recommend you guys to use a bolt only like this in that location, because when you put a bolt like this in that spot, it becomes easy to take it out, guys. You guys have seen that already, and it is difficult for this type of bolts to slip as well, and if needed you can even spot weld this bolt, guys. But when you put a screw there and when that screw slips, you cannot do anything there, guys, because the screw is in such a location. The next thing that you can do is you can break the fairing and take it out. So here I put back this bolt. Now I will show you guys how to adjust your headlight. So now you will have to come underneath the headlight. Once you come underneath the headlight, you will notice this bolt that I have put just now, the new one. Now you will have to loosen this bolt a little bit first, and to do that you will need a 8mm spanner. Now maybe you already have a bolt like this underneath your headlight, or maybe nothing is here, which means the bolt fell down. So if your headlight is focusing too much on top, then you will have to loosen this bolt first. Once you loosen this bolt, your headlight will start to move like this. As you guys can see, it is now adjustable up and down. Now you will have to turn your bike on, and you will have to see where your light is actually focusing. So here I have started the bike, and here I have turned on my headlight as well. Here my headlight is now turned on. Now like this you can move your headlight up and down. Now if your headlight is focusing too much on top, then put it down. And if your headlight is focusing too much downwards, then put it up a little bit. Keep it in the middle. So adjust the headlight according to your need. And when you feel that this is the right point, keep the headlight there only and start tightening this bolt now. Don't go to over tighten it, because it will break the inner parts, guys. Once you get a slight snug, it is enough. Once you tighten this, you are done adjusting your headlight. Now you will have to ride your bike at night, and you will have to see where exactly your headlight is focusing. If it is not focusing properly, then loosen this bolt again, lower the headlight a little bit, and then tighten that bolt again. Like this you will have to adjust your headlight. So that's all in this video, guys, and I'm hoping that this video was useful to you. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share it with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raisen for 90 signing out, until we meet again.